again, everyone, top of the morning. This is for Kevin in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-655HPC Plus. Kevin got you ready to go, tune in alignment and Toshiba regulator. We are going to start with RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down in case you sat around like a 4-pill or 6-pill. You got plenty of adjustability. 25 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 50 bird plus. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 125. All right, Mr. Kevin, we'll get it out to you. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bye-bye.